Day to night garden ideas to make the most of summer. 1. Be soft-hearted. There's so much to love about this versatile garden, not least the dusky watermelon tones of the rough-hewed wall and built-in bench seat. Generate a Moroccan vibe by piling up patterned cushions on a low wall, bench seat, or even on the grass to lounge your way through the day. Keep some chunky blankets to hand so, when dusk approaches, you can snuggle in to enjoy the sunset. 2. Inside outside, outside in. If an evening in the actual garden doesn't appeal, this conservatory type space is a good compromise. The foliage prints and green rag rug, plus arbor-like seating create a sense of still being outdoors. We do recommend throwing open the doors to make the most of that undefinable summer scent though. 3. Rooftop sun trap by day. Bleached wood raised planting beds that double as seating, rattan chairs with metallic cushions, a little shade from pretty foliage. This urban rooftop haven is just calling for a relaxed daytime barbecue with your nearest and dearest. And it's simple to take it through tonight, just add blankets, cushions, candlelight or fairy lights. 4. Summer sounds. Make that carnival playlist portable with a retro record player or an outdoor sound system. Music really sets the tone for a space, so whether you're gearing up for a big gathering or winding down with a relaxing Sunday session, this is a really simple way to take your garden from day to night and back again. 5. Get fired up. Up the ante, and the summer festival feel, by placing a fire pit at the heart of your outdoor space. Let the sun, and the summer fruit-colored accents, warm you by day, then by night be sociable around the modern version of a campfire. A beautifully relaxing way to enjoy your garden long after evening falls. 6. Sun-kissed glow. Just looking at this image we feel like we're on holiday in a foreign land. Bring this luxury look home with interesting outdoor lighting, like this uber cool chair, or similarly stylish light cubes, and reflective surfaces that pick up the midnight blues. And relax.